Viking Freezer Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in Viking freezers that consist of Viking chest freezer repair, Viking French door freezer repair, Viking refrigerator freezer repair, Viking freezer repair, along with all other Viking freezer models. If your Viking freezer is not cooling, or your freezer is not working, or possibly your freezer runs all the time, maybe your freezer is leaking water, or your freezer is having defrost drain problems, the freezer's coils are frosting up, or the freezer indicator light is out. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.